Okay, I'm going to move on to getting these quarry tiles up. My only concern is, because this was built in 1919, these quarry tiles would have acted as a DPC. Because they're like, the construction is similar to an engineering brick. So they're not going to absorb water. So when this comes up, I'm hoping the ground underneath it is going to be dry. Yeah. Wish me luck. Okay, these quarries are a bastard to get up, but we've come to a decision because there's no DPC in there, and that is literally just clay below there. We're just going to get a big jackhammer and break the full thing up. Also, look at the state of this, and that's because there was brickwork on there, just butted up straight to that. So we're going to be getting rid of that as well, and we're going to take the floor up along there, and we're going to build a sleeper wall. So instead of putting new joists into that old brickwork, they'll stand off it, and then we're going to do what you do here: hardcore, sharp sand, DPMs, etc. Alright, what we're going to do now is get this door frame out, and then think about getting some ties in and getting it blocked up. Right, I've put 2 courses in, so now I'm going to put my first ties in. One there, one there. I'll put a tie wire there. What I'll do is I'll put another tie wire here, and I'll zigzag that all the way up. But yeah, so I'll just get it bricked up. No great shakes. Just get it done. And as if for magic, here we go there. There are 2-inch screws in there. And there. Nice and solid. They're not going anywhere. I'll get a tie on there, like I said, and I'll get a few more on. Another tie in. Just doing that there. I've only got 2 blocks left, so I'll cut that one for there. It's alright, John, I ain't got you. Yeah. I'll get another block in there, then I'll probably put a piece in. Cool.
Later.
Right, we're whacking it, brute force and ignorance. We've got the sledgy.
This is we're getting the worst bit though, isn't it?
Yeah. So you can see the clay there. So we're digging that clay out, but any of the stone we break out, we're putting it back as hardcore. There's no point.
Only the small bit.
Yeah, only the small stuff. Yeah, obviously.
It up like that, look.
Yeah. So it'll just compact down with a whacker quite easy.
Any big bits like that, we'll take it out.
Yeah, may as well make use of what we've got. So what we'll do, we're just working our way, and yeah, getting rid of the soil at the same time. Right, see you in a bit. Right, winning the firefight. So what we're doing, digging it out and then just dragging in this bit of hardcore. So you see I've got a pile there. So I'm going to dig that out, drag it in. We're probably going to get some more to put on top of it. Then we've got to dig that corner out. Just watch sure you got the gas feed there and that. So we'll get there. Just have to take our time, be cautious. Won't be long now. Right, it's all out. That's going to be the finished floor level. But, I'm going to spread it out a bit more, get the whacker on it, compress it. Get some more stone on it, I think. The smaller stuff, a bit of type 1. We'll blind it with some sand. Yeah, that's good. I believe Tom's got the bathroom upstairs, so we'll go and have a look at that in a minute. And then get on with the next job. Right, and you've seen the break the floor up, so we've just put a bit of sand on that over the top, got it compacted. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is, before the floor goes down, we want to get the water feed to its new location. So we're going to dig a trench out here. And we're going to connect back on. So that's a new feed Yorkshire Water Authority put in for us. We're going to just lay it out for now, but we need to dig deep enough all the way along here. Then we're going to tick it in under the air brick, because we can't really go any lower anyway, because that's the footing. And see how we crack on. Yeah, job's a good one. Tom's got a poorly head, ain't you, Tom?
I have, mate.
Yeah. Why, Tom? Why have you got a poorly head, Tom?
Charity.
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 Have you ever known anybody have a poorly head for charity? Good lad. But he's here. That's what counts.
Oh, yeah.
In spirit. Now then, here's a dilemma. What do you think? So, we're digging down and we've got the drain to this gully. It's going to run up here and it's going to connect somewhere in here. Now when we build the extension out 3 meters, I think it's to about here, so all this will be gone. That drain's going to become redundant. Should we use it to run our water pipe through while we've got the opportunity? But what we're going to do, just for the day anyway, if you've got any ideas, let us know. What we're going to do is we're just going to lay it along here. We're going to get it through the house. So Tom's just got the breaker out. We're just going to get it through the house there, under the wooden floor, and then we're going to get it to where we need in the kitchen. It's not going to be connected up, but it's better to get it in now than wonder about where we're going to run it later once we've got the floor down.
In here, is this all right? Because it's both.
Right, we've just got the floor up, so we can see here where there's been timbers laid alongside. Look at the state of this now. So we're going to get that out. We're going to cut it right back here. Going to get rid of this one. There's actually no support for these. That's just
I don't. You ready?
bouncing.
You ready? Look at that.
Yeah.
No support. So we're going to go right beyond. About
Yeah.
here,
So we're going to put a little sleeper wall under there. Really, we'll dig out, put a bit of concrete in, and give it some better support.
They've spread
There's going to be new timbers going on here. Yeah, you can see the way the old walls be built, so that is literally just some stretches on the clay. Course of headers.
Because it's original, we can leave it.
Yeah, we'll just leave there.
It hasn't moved.
There's still some cross ventilation over there, but we'll just sort the other side out, and we'll get rid of all this crap what's against the wall as well, because that's not looking good. That's some odd pipe work. Does anybody up there collects pipes? Got somebody who collects nails and stuff.
Right, so
Yeah, so we're going to get these cut off now.
see, that one's all right. But these two, we'll cut these two off.
Yeah.
These are knackered.
Yeah.
These two are gone. So
We need to get that cut off anyway, because we're drilling through there to get the water pipe through.
Yeah.
So, job's a good one. Right, crack on.
Okay.
Right, got the hole for the water pipe. So we want to get that through. And then we'll dig the footing now for the sleepers to sit on. We're not putting them back into the brickwork.
2, 3, 4.
That's good.
7.
Right, I'm just digging a little trench along here. I'm just going to run along there, under there. I'm going to fill it with concrete. That's actually the footing to the outside of the building. And this is the footing to what was this old wall here. Anyway, all we're going to do is put about 4 inches of concrete in. Just take it up to there. And it's to take the weight of these instead of so they're not going back in the wall and rotting again. I mean, look at this one. So we'll get that propped up. So what we'll do is we'll get the concrete in, see what measurement we've got, what depth. Then what we're going to do is we'll be putting it on a wall plate. So there'll be an inch wall plate going on there. So we'll take an inch off there. Then we'll measure down from the underside of the wall plate to the top side of the concrete and see what we've got. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some blocks and just lay coarser blocks along there to the required height. I may even just put it under each timber actually, then at least there's airflow still to get through. It's only taking the weight of these joists, remember, so it doesn't need to be a bloody foot in the size of a house. I mean, if you look at that, that's there's the first course of bricks there. I don't know, I might even be tempted to put a periscope air brick on there, because I've got one at home, because that just comes in. Yeah, I might be tempted to do that. Look at the way this has just been bodged up over the years, it's unbelievable. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to carry on digging that out. I'll check back in a bit. Top tip for you. So when you're laying this new water pipe in, you don't want to get any dirt in the end. So you want to tape it up, but you're not going to tape. So what you do, you get your old glove and slot it over the thumb. There we go. Oh, matron. And then we'll just put it through the hole. Right, we've got that through. So it's just got it curled up and round in here for now. It's probably going to run up on a diagonal to there and then come up through a spout in the ground. Yeah, So that's another one off the tick list. So I want to get that concrete in there next. And we're going to get this bricked up as well. Get that finished. Super. Alright. That's completed there. That's good. Got the footing down there. We've got the pipe filled in. Ended up making a bit of a mess there. But hey ho. Yeah. Right, brick up the other side. Right, so we've got this whacker down. Got that door completed there. Got this rotten floor up. We've got the concrete in for the new sleeper wall that's going to go in. Got the water pipe in. All the way down here to the stop tap over there. Over there, somewhere there. And then in the little room here, got half of that bricked up. Sorry for another 4 courses to go on there, that's cool. So yeah. Right, so that's the end of this video. If you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up. If there's anything you want to see or explain, leave a comment. We're going to see you next week. I'm away this weekend, going down to that South Wales. So yeah, take care guys. See you all soon. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.